All right, guys, this is the Metro Accordion folding door, aluminum turquoise frosted glass style, 36 by 80 inches. Unboxing and installation review. Ordered from Amazon. Package came by UPS, second day air. 180 bucks. This is everything it comes with. That's all one piece, the folding door panel. Two smaller little panel pieces, the size, one smaller panel piece. The warranty card, lubricant, handles, screws, two different kinds, flat head and round head, two bolts, and the end of something. Next, we're gonna remove the old door that we're replacing to put the accordion style door in. Then you cut that little piece that I showed you earlier in the setup of everything down to 1/8 shorter than the width of the top of the middle of the door frame that you want to put it on. Drill a pilot hole in the hole inside this metal thing closest to the center with a 3/32" drill bit. Then use one of the screws with the round head to drill it and hold it up there. Take the female handle and break it into two pieces so that you can put the screw through the cement bolt. Drop the one with the screws inside the door. Put the one on the bottom on and screw in from the top so they're together. Put the handle piece back on the top. Put oil on the little knobs sticking up that you put into this track at the end of these things, and then run it, unscrew that top thing a little bit, and then stack these up like this in this formation and slide it onto the top track. Then wherever there's a hole, screw in the original one with one of those rounded screws. Screw one of the long side panel thingies onto the side that's going to stay connected on this thing, so not the door opening side, and then push this into this to fix it. Then you screw the other long side white panel or gray panel onto the side that closes. Screw this little plastic locker thing on here in the pre-drilled hole. So we bought it for the, those little bathrooms in the front of houses that you are like smushed into and you feel like you're pressed up against the door. Just to kind of like save some space here in this entryway foyer type thing. We put in one of those sliding barnyard doors. And this is what it looks like. Here's like that. There's like that. And there's a cat there. It's kind of see-through with a light on. There's little foggy panels that may or may not be damaged from the oil stuff from me, but we'll see. See-through. The light on. But overall impressions,